Hello guys. Today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach you what are like basically objects. Objects are nothing but like a single instance we create from a class. What are those? Let's see. We have like page. We can do like add up the page, take care of them, and learn. Now this is just a simple game I created to show you what are the object in the HTML. Let's just say we have like in the pet shop. This is like we can just create any pet, like for example, let's say cat. See, this has like this cat has name called Luna and health, happiness, energy, and age and ID. This has like lots of property. This is like name, this is health property. These are all called like properties. We can what like we can do like many things like with this cat we can just feed the pet. This is like the activity we can feed. We can play with the pet or put it to the sleep. We can do lots of things. For example, dog. mm, I can create another one. Bird. Like here we have like different pets, but all those different pets we create from the single class. Okay. You can do play with the pets. We cannot play. Not enough coin. Need 40. You have zero. All pets as of remember to take care of them. This is just a game I try to make. Let's just say this is happiness and the energy they don't have. Let's what I will do is coin. Feed the pet. I have to feed the pet. Feed the pet. Mm. All pets as of remember to take care of them. Oh, I have not taken care of them. Play with the pets. Let's say, please wait the pet first. This, play with the pet, okay? Cat, let's put it to sleep, cat, okay? Let's feed this pet, let's feed this pet. See, we're getting lots of good, the cats. Mm, what you're learning is the pet class is your blueprint for creating pets. Object, you have created two objects from the pet class. We created C, we created C and selected after meeting. The object had its own data. See health. This all from the back in DV. This data, these are just the properties in the memory. And the method we have like eat, play, all those methods. Let's say feed the pet, those are the matter. Put it to let's say put it to the sleep. Okay, let it put it to the sleep. See, put it to the sleep, play with the pet, feed the pet, feed the pet. See, this is all healthy now. This is again. We can also let's create the bird now. Now we can create another bird. Okay, let's see, put it to sleep. See, those data are like this is like the interactive HTML front end part, but those data all those come from the DB and those are all created from the one class. Okay, let me show you in the class part. See, we have like paid classes, paid class. I created this from Copilot. It's just easy. You can just create anything. You can just give the anything in the class and then name paid, the paid, or like it's a category. It's just nothing but category. My goal here is like wanted to teach you like what are the like object are not thing but just we create from the paid class. This is the paid class. From the paid class we just give the name and with the new keyword we just give the value. This is like the value. When we create the object we can create the another object. We can just create the another object also. Let me create another object from the paid. Let's see, Shiba Inu. Shiba is equal to new name of the from which name of the class, then just give the value dog tab. This is what's this is like nothing much, but like we create from the class a single instance means like especially what we need. You what like anything you can create, not like for example we have like this property, but we have name property, but what name type, but every but Every page gonna have the name, type, and the happiness and the energy level. This is like category which will have like different type of name, but name is like for the specific. So we give the name and anything whatever we name. Constructor is like just when we ever call, this is like the same as the match of when you call create the instant, the constructor will create the name in the value. So not a big deal. So that's what it is. It's object are just simply a new instant we create from the class. That's simple thing. Yeah, that's it. This is all we created from the HTML, and this I created from HTML, simple HTML. What you see in the HTML in the backend, those data, all those data come from this part, like backend part. Yeah, that's it, guys. See you.